everyone. Okay, so this is an unboxing for Chalk Couture. I signed up a little while ago and I got my box in. So let's see what we got. Now I've already opened it a little bit so you wouldn't see me struggle. So let's check it out. Okay. It comes with 5 Chalk Couture paste in different colors, a mini, well, this is a small squeegee, and this is a starter kit to be a designer as well. It comes with 10 thank you cards and envelopes. It comes with a Chalk Couture apron, black, and has the logo on it. Comes with a Chalk Couture boutique board. It's a 10-inch round board, and it has a little twine string that you can hang it up with. It comes with the spring catalog. Well, this is the spring and summer. And it shows you all the different types of things that you can do. So like this one on the back. Okay. And let's see what else. Okay. Let's see the transfers that it came with. Alright, now these are silk screen transfers. It came with this one. Oh, I think it's backwards. Let's see if you, I don't know if I just switch it on the, nope, alright. Well, it actually says, when in doubt, glitter. Okay, so you'll use the chalk paste to cover over the words, and then you'll pull up the transfers. I'll do a video on that later. Then this one is the Welcome Trio. Welcome, Hello, and Gather. This one is super cute. This is called the Hello Spring Transfer. You can cut all these out, and it's just different spring and kind of Easter transfers. You can make different things like ornaments or decorate little gift bags. I've seen so many people do different things with those. And this one is Don't Bother Me, I'm Procrastinating. So it's a little play on crafting and procrastinating. This is super cute. I'm probably going to put this on a tote bag. Then this one, it says My Happy Masterpiece. This one's My Way. Has some little arrows, gold, hearts. And this one's Business Builder, the Vision Board. And then one of the last ones is Today I Choose is the name of this one. And it says, Today I choose, you can either use joy, or this one says chocolate. Again, my camera is backwards, so we'll have to fix that another time. Let's see. Then we get this designer startup guide. It tells you a little bit more about it and what all you can expect. The incentives and the do's and don'ts of how you use the products. And this last transfer is a business builder, Ask Me How. So it comes with Chalk Couture, Make Money Beautifully, How, and the little logo right there. Let's see, I think there's another thing in here. Let me put these back. I already started some of this because I got a mini kit from another lady, and I fell in love with it. I've just been doing all kinds of little crafts, and I can't wait to do more. So, okay, so the last thing it comes with in the starter kit is, hold on, I need a different knife. Aiden's knife he gave me a few years ago always comes in handy. There we go. Okay. So, we've got a chalkboard frame. And it kind of has the distressed white, so that's really in right now. Let's see what size is this one. I think that's a 9 by 12, but I'm not sure. Yes, that one's an 8-inch style white frame, 9 by 12. That's the size of this one. Now, each month you get a bonus. It's Chalk Couture, a bonus transfer that you can get both like the month before it's available to the public, since you're a designer. So let's see what we got here. Okay. This one is called Oh Snap, and it's the February Chalk Couture transfer. So it has the camera, and it says collect moments, not things. Oh Snap, and it has little the little images to like make it look like the camera's taking a picture. So that's super cute. Can't wait to try that because I know a few people that would love a gift that is focused on photography. But that's about it. If you're interested, you can click on my link below to join, or you can shop on my site to get some of your own products. But stay tuned because I'll be doing some more videos on me actually using these and showing you how easy it is. Alright, see you next time.